Shayman time. Right, before I fire this bad boy up, we got the AB Performance Shayman. One of one, this car is. Built one of one. Sister car to the Arian. Same chassis, just a 7S style bodywork. Well, it's red. It stands out in the classic sort of CBR 1000RR. Nice graphics actually on the car, which you'll see when Anna does her shoot round for you. And as I always say, the best bit about these cars is when it's for sale. Now, you may have seen it popped up or not if you're trying to get into one of these cars. Bike engine car, CBR 1000RR. It's a 2015 SP engine in it. Weight, well, just under 200 horsepower. Built by AB Performance. It was a factory built car. Only reason the customer's selling it, he wants to get into a car engine and give that a bit more of a try. So something a bit different. So yeah, what we do then, we'll turn the ignition on and we'll press the big go button. God, I love that sound in it when it fires up for the bike engine. Yeah, we've got the DD2 dash here in here, so it's going to give me everything I need to know about engine, speeds, revs, shift lights, temperatures, oil pressures, what gear I'm in, everything. So it's a cool little instrument. Tells me I'm in neutral at the moment. It's 1 for forward and then it's 5 for on the way back, so it's 6-speed gearbox. So tell you what, let's go for a little drive. So a nice billet gear lever here, nice Momo steering wheel, suede one, really light in your hands actually. Most bike engines are pretty light in your hand. It might be difficult to hear me. The only thing with bike engines, they're quite noisy. But instantly when you're driving this car, you feel like you're in a sports car. You feel like in something that's going to go fast. It's got the right tyres on it, R888Rs. It's got the right wheels, Pro Race 1.2. It's got the right brakes. Wheelwoods on it, and it's got the right engine, CBR 1000 cloud plant. You drop it down the coal, this thing just winds up. I mean, I'm not even hitting 7,000 or 8,000 RPM, and this thing will wind up to the high dizzy heights of nearly 14,000 RPM. 14,000! That's crazy. When you think a normal car engine is only 7,000 RPM. So they're all about revs. That's all it is. Now, in here we've got a nice display of Savage instruments, which you may be able to see here. All the indicators are on there, lights, all of that. Nice 13-inch long acre mirror for visibility, protected by this CDS roll cage. Nice little aero screen. Designed for the track, this car. It's got anti-roll bars all round. It's going to do everything you want on track. But you can give it for a really spirited Saturday or Sunday weekend drive or a nice summer's evening drive. Perfect for this. Get in, run it out on the A and B roads. Perfect, absolutely perfect for it. So we're going to try and get it up some temperatures at the moment, warm it up a little bit before I open up the taps. There's nothing better than seeing a Honda scream. They are bonkers. Right, we're up to temperatures. Let's go through the box. Ready? So that's the experience. It's visceral. It's a little bit noisy, and that's what bike engines do. You know, it's not all about creature comforts with these cars. It's all about the experience, and the experience is what's under there. You feel like you're in a racing car, and if you want to be in a racing car, you get a bike engine. It does this. That's what they're all about. Mad, mad machine. So what I say is a fast car. Fun. Definitely is that. Agile. Definitely is that. This thing will change directions on a twopence. Showstopper. You can stand this thing next to a Lamborghini and they will probably come and look at this. And timeless. The looks on these for the 7S silhouette have been for years and it'll never go out of fashion. It's just amazing to look at. That's why I think a fast car is. It's mad. Look at it, this pickle. Pedal. Woo! Fast, fun, agile, showstopper and timeless. What a bit of a tool this is. What a bit of a tool. Love it. Love it. If you want to get into this car, phone us. I'll gladly put you in the passenger seat here, take you out for a spin. You will love it.